This week's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through how to install JDM ASTAR LED headlight conversion kit on a 2017 Toyota Camry. The bulb size that we're going to be doing is a H11. So this video is going to be great if you have a 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry, because it's a direct install tutorial for you guys. But if you don't, then you click the right video, because it's going to be general and universal, and I'm going to make it as easy as possible for anybody, no matter if it's H11s or 9004s or whatever bulb size you have. I'll make this tutorial easy. So before I jump into this and pull the car in the garage, I'd like to thank JDM for making this video possible and sponsoring me. Alright guys, I got the car pulled in now in the garage. So the first thing you're going to want to actually do is look at the conversion kit, and you basically want to see how much length of cord you're working with, or wiring, and you kind of want to get a feel and dry fit it in the engine bay and figure out where you're going to mount it. I like to mount the LED kits with wire ties. I found that to be the easiest way to do it and the cleanest way to do it. And if you want to reverse it, it's not drilled or mounted permanently into your engine bay, and you didn't have to drill no holes. So right now I'm about to look for a mounting location and go ahead and walk through installing this. So to make this easier, I've switched to my action camera. So right now I'm under the engine bay. I'm in the engine bay of the Camry, and just locate the headlight, factory OEM ones, which is right here. And I feel like a good mounting point will be right here. I'm gonna probably go ahead and hide the ballast under here, zip tie it and make it clean, and plug it directly in. And on this side is a little bit more space, and I feel like I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna get started on this side first, because there's more space, and show you guys. And it's basically just a repeat on the other side, but it's very simple and easy to do. It's just a plug and play. So let me mount this camera and get into it. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. The tab, pull it out. Get your couple zip ties. Now you're gonna insert it in. One way I like to go about mounting this to the car is you take a zip tie, wrap it around, zip tie it as tight as you can. And once you zip tie it as tight as you can, tuck it. I'm gonna tuck it under and basically get another zip tie. Catch through this hole up here. And zip tie to the chassis. And then plug it in. And then you take a Now I'm about to start on the driver's side. The driver's side is a little bit harder because the battery's in the way. But I'm basically gonna run it the same way like I did the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the tab to disconnect the bulb from the harness. Pull it right out. Take the new harness and the new LED, do the same thing like I did last time. Tight as tight as possible. So you position it where you want it. So when you're all done installing, everything should look nice and clean. You can't see no wires or nothing. And this is the finished product. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions or anything, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. Let me know I'm doing a good job. And subscribe for more videos. Alright guys, like always, it was a pleasure. Jerome Jr. House, bro.